Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market technical breakdown for the time period of August 11th to August 15th. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, and also get the right tool sets to enable them trade the financial market profitably. And if this is your first time, I want to tell you welcome to the market technical breakdown. How this usually goes is that we're going to go through the technical chart of these forex pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, XAU USD, and BTC USDT. Okay, and then when we're through, we're going to also give you some opportunities on how you can be able to start trading the financial market with some basic knowledge, using our signals, joining our community, attending our events, which is going to hold this August 30th in ENUGU. Okay, so I want you to watch to the end because we have a value pack of opportunity. At this event, you have the chance of winning $500 trading capital, $750 trading capital, or $1,000 trading capital. Okay, so I'm going to drop the link to register in the description. I'm also going to drop the link to join our community in the description. If you're a trader but you're not yet profitable, you can as well reach out to me and I will be able to have a consultation session with you, give you the guidelines on what to do and how to do it, and then you'll be able to achieve the success of placing a trade, knowing when to buy, when to sell, and also achieving the profit you want. Okay, so let's dive into it. Euro USD is the first one on the list. So open up the chart. Before we forecast this week of August 11th, August 15th, we'll show you what our forecast for last week was and how it played. Okay, so for last week, the market was here on Monday. We told you guys the market has two potential movements. We saw a reoptimization zone here, and we said that the market is either going to sell from this reoptimization zone and come back to this demand zone, or break this reoptimization zone, or retest, okay, this reoptimization zone and continue to push upward towards this supply zone. Okay, so the market played out a bit on this, but it did not fulfill the whole movement. On Wednesday, it changed direction. So literally, from what I can see, this is the actual direction the market wants to take. So we're going to go to the weekly time frame. Let us update this particular chart. So on the weekly time frame, we mark out the previous week high and previous week low. This is the previous week low. If we break the previous week low, we go lower. If we break the previous week high, we go higher. Then this is the previous week high. Okay, good. Then we go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we mark out daily demand and daily supply. Currently, the daily demand and daily supply has marked out for us. Then on the 4 hours time frame, we go to the 4 hours to mark out the 4 hours demand and 4 hours support. So literally, what I see currently for Euro USD is this, okay, to fulfill this forecast for last week, because it has not completed the retest. So what I see the market doing for this week is it needs to come towards this supply zone before and then turn into a demand zone to continue pushing to the upside from here. Okay, so for now, I expect Euro USD to come towards this zone first, tap into it, and then from there we watch out and see what next it has to do. Okay, so that's it for Euro USD. Then the next on the list is GBP USD, GP USD. So for GP USD, this was our forecast for GP USD. We said GP USD is going to come towards this demand zone, tap into this demand zone, and from this level we expect it to continue shooting to the upside. But what the market do, it broke this reoptimization zone, as you can see over here. After it did that, the market will continue pushing to the upside without any retest. Okay, so let us update this particular chart. So our forecast for GBUSD was totally not accurate. Okay, so now for this, we have to place this on previous week high. As I can see, the market has already broke the previous week high, and over here we place this on the previous week low. Good. So we go to the daily time frame, mark out daily demand and daily supply. So the daily demand and daily supply is already marked out. This is the daily supply all the way up here, and then this is the daily demand all the way down here, and then this another was reoptimization zone demand as well. So let's update this. This is the demand over here. Good. So everything is aligned now. Then we go down to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, since the market already broke the previous week high, we're expected to go what higher. We're expected to go higher. So from this level now, what we're expecting GBPUSD to do is, since it already took this could be the week of this week. So if it comes back towards this demand zone, which is supply before, we're going to now expect a shoot to the upside from this level. Okay, so this is what I see primarily for GBP USD. It could also have a deeper corrective structure. From this level right now. It could have a deeper corrective structure towards this level before it starts pushing to the upside. But first of all, the major area, this is the first major area I'll be looking out for the reaction of the market once it gets there. Then next on the list is GBP JPY. Okay, so for GBP JPY, we can see our forecast for last week was accurate and on point, exactly as forecast. That is, from this level is going to start shooting to the upside. So GBP JPY was very, very, very accurate. Okay, so give us a like, give us a share, and also a comment to encourage us to keep giving you this content, giving you this type of signals, and be able to send this information across every single trader that needs this sort of guidance, that needs this sort of content. Okay, so we have updated the previous week high and previous week low. Then we go to the daily time frame. We update the daily demand and daily supply. Daily demand is already updated. So this is the current daily demand over here. So this is daily supply. This is daily demand. Okay, so that's accurate and on point. Then we go to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, we see that the 4 hour supply is being approached, and this market has had an overbought situation. See, this is massive buy. So this is a daily 4 hour supply. So from this level now, there's also a retracement zone. The markets broke. You see, this market broke this retracement zone, tested it properly, unlike Euro USD and GBP USD, tested it properly before continuing to shoot to the upside. So literally, from what I can see right now, for GBP JPY, we're monitoring it closely. Once it goes into this 4 hour supply zone, okay, we'll be looking for ourselves from this 4 hour supply zone minimum towards this level. Okay, so this is what I see right now for GBP JPY. Then the next on the list is XAU USD, also known as gold, and this was our forecast for XAU USD. We said we had two forecasts. We said gold is either going to sell from this level towards this demand zone, okay, or break this retracement zone like we saw on Euro USD and GBP USD, and then retest it to continue shooting to the upside to head towards this supply zone. So literally, gold followed our second forecast, and that is on point. And let us update this current chart right now. We go to the weekly time frame to update the previous week high and previous week low. This is the previous week high all the way up here, and then this is the previous week low all the way down here. Good. Then we go to the daily time frame to mark out the daily demand and daily supply. So this is the daily demand. This is already marked out for this daily demand, and this daily supply accurate. Then we go to the 4 hours time. For 4 hours time frame, I'm going to mark out the 4 hours this 4 hours retracement zone. I'm going to use here as the retracement zone, everything in here. Yeah, I'm going to use this as the 4 hours retracement zone. And for gold, since it's heading towards this level already, what I anticipate for gold is for it to have this push to the upside towards this supply zone. Okay, so this demand zone is coming into now. Once it gets into this level, we'll start monitoring it and aim for a reversal. Once you see that reversal candle on the lower time frame, like 1 hour, and smaller time frame like 15 minutes, then we're going to call out that signal, and then we can be able to take these buys to the upside for gold. Okay, risky assets are highly bought right now. Then for BTC USDT, it's approaching the all-time high, about to be broken. Our forecast for last week on BTC USD was on point, and we made a lot of profits. You can go to our channel, and you're going to see the content on our channel on how we were able to bag 300% on BTC USDT. Okay, I'm going to drop the link to our Telegram channel. So you, on the description, join our Telegram channel. Okay, it's for free, and you're going to see how we called out the signal. Everybody took this trade and they bagged 300%. So for us, update this week on BTC USDT, and this is the last pair. Okay, so we'll take this to, this is the previous week low, and this is the previous week high. What happens whenever the market breaks the previous week high, we go higher. When the market breaks the previous week low, we go lower. Okay, so we go to the daily time frame. We spot out the daily demand and daily supply. Spot out daily demand. So from what I can see right now, the daily demand is all the way over here, and then the daily supply, the market is already okay. The market already broke daily supply. Okay, so this is the daily supply. This is daily supply all the way here. This is daily demand. Good. So the market created this. Let me adjust this. This is now the higher low. It's about to create a new higher high. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, what can I see? I can see that the market is impulsive. The market is massively impulsive, but this is what the supply zone of the 4 hours time frame. So it has already approached this supply zone of the 4 hours time frame. So we need to be very, very careful. This was the last high the market created before dumping. Okay, this was the last high the market created before dumping. So we need to be very, very careful and cautious to see how the market reacts when it gets towards that particular zone. Okay, we need to be very, very cautious about it. So for the 4 hours demand, the 4 hours demand is all the way down here. The accurate 4 hours demand is all the way down here, this spot here. Okay, slightly above the daily validation point, all the way down. So for BTC USD, two things is involved. Either the market breaks this supply zone, retest it, and then continue shooting to the upside. My utmost target is $140,000. Okay, before the Bitcoin bull run ends. As in, this $140,000 is forecasted to be touched. Okay, so this is my ultimate target. Then and second scenario, if this all-time high holds rapidly, at least it's going to test minimum previous week high. Minimum, because this principle of if it breaks previous week high, it needs to go higher. Okay, it needs to be followed. So if you test previous week high, then from there we can now start anticipating for the next potential moves. Okay, that's what I see for BTC USDT right now. Okay, so thank you so much for watching to this point. If you want to learn more about trading, you can dive down to our website www.10digitallane.com, and you can subscribe, because at 10 Digital Lane we bring you a unique perspective to the world of digital assets. We teach you how digital trading works, how to earn massive passive income on different digital assets, how to invest in safe assets, how to build and grow your startup business from zero to hero. Sign up right now, because procrastination is a thief of time. These are companies that we have partnered with, okay, that we use to offer services to you, and we promote our contents alongside with them. This is our team. Me, I'm the CEO, and this is our international team over here from all over the world. They offer their services and their skills to be able to make sure that we push forward in achieving the visions and the plans of the academy. Over here is our sign-up packages. We have the free sign-up package where you just join in and get some basic education. Then over here is the 1 month package. It's more like you subscribing for your DSTV subscription or your Netflix subscription. For the monthly package, it is $49. Then for the 3 months package is $139.65. For the 6 months package is $264.06. And for the 1 year package is $470.04. Okay, if you are just having a little bit of doubt, you can go to our testimony. I still remember what you told me every time, what you told me that time, everything, I'm still sticking to all of them. This is Ogena Rufo. Then over here is Neka. She says, knowing and having you as a mentor is the best thing that has happened to me. And she actually got value. Over here are some videos of our students we guide on how they were able to trade the market profitably and made double of their coin. You can see over here, Messi to be precise. This is Messi Ebere, all the way from Angola. She says, good day, Mr. Njokuma Coach. Thanks very much for this advert you did on your WhatsApp status that made me to join and know how to trade and make double of my money on my coin. I thought it was a joke. It's good to follow advice of someone that know what he is doing on coin. I will tell all my friends about this to join and make double of their coins. Thanks very much. Okay, so if you want to as well get more testimony, you can head down to the bottom of our website. You can see our official links on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Just click on it and it will take you to our channel. You can be able to see other testimonies from other students and how they're making money trading the financial market with us. Then over here, we have a seminar coming up in ENUGU, like I told you guys, in partnership with HFM, our official broker. We have been using them since 2019, and I am an IB with them. So this particular link now is going to be on the description. Okay, to register to attend, the seminar is going to be on the 30th of August at Auckland Hotel, starting by 10 a.m., possibly going to end by 2 or 3 p.m. Then this is the direction, Eban Otonio Road, along Old Artisan Market. Okay, so once you click the link, it's going to bring you to this form. Fill in your name, your first name, your last name, your state in Nigeria or country, wherever you are. Then the phone number, the email, and your experience. Are you either a beginner, an intermediate, or an advanced? So just need to be able to know these are what different countries. You can at least select the country where you are, and then this is going to be in 19 days. So the maximum attendees is 400. So try to be on time. And these are the lucky draws. The first is going to get a $1,000 account. The second is going to get a $750 account. The third is going to get a $500 account. So don't miss this opportunity, and you're going to get value packed of information. So aside from that, you can as well visit our store. The link is going to be on the description as well, and get our bot. Our bot. This is what 10x digital lane gold bot. Okay, this 10x digital lane gold bot now trades the financial market for you. Okay, it trades gold precisely, and then you'll be able to just set and forget any passive income as the market, as the bot makes passive income for you. Then over here, the next is the 10x digital lane scalper bot. It scalps dollar pairs, okay, like Euro USD, GBP USD, anything has to do with USD, it scalps for you. So this is also another means of any passive income, like the rich do. The rich invest in assets that makes them income, passive income, and then they now spend the income earned by this asset, or reinvest the income into the assets to what grow the capital that is used to earn the passive income they want. Okay, that's how the rich think. But the poor always invest in liability. The poor thinks that investing in a course is a liability, is a bad idea. The poor thinks that investing in an asset, okay, is a bad idea. The poor even thinks of investing in themselves to get the right guidance, or to get the right mentor, to get the right tools they need is a bad idea. But the poor is always satisfied buying luxury. The poor is always satisfied buying debt. The poor is always satisfied buying material things, a new phone, a new gadget, a new outfit, a new going for a show, going for a concert, but they can't invest in asset like investing in mentorship, asset like investing in a trading academy that will give them right knowledge, asset like investing in a bot that will earn them passive income, even while others are working, sweating, or sleeping. Their bot is making money for them. That's how the rich thinks. Okay, so are you rich or poor? Your choices determines that. Okay, it is in your table now. Make the right choice, so that you're not going to wake up next 10 years and feel like you just lost 10 years of your life and have nothing to show for it. Then over here is some free contents we have for those who are here for freebies. Okay, the first one on the left is how to make 6 figures in 6 months without owning a property. For you guys who want to invest in real estate but you don't know how to go about it, go and grab this book. It's going to give you a brief insight on how to start that process. Then on the right is how to become a passive income machine. This book is written on how we generate passive income from what? Automated trading bots, automated trading system. Okay, I'm going to also show you an example, so watch to the end. The bot trades for us and we make money even while we sleep. Then over here is 10x digital link signal to join our VIP group. Okay, on the left hand side is to join our VIP group. It's going to be a monthly subscription fee. I'll be introducing a yearly plan as well, so you can pay monthly or just pay yearly. Okay, so I'll be introducing that as well, so watch out for it. And then by right hand side is the 10x digital link course. The same prices that was listed on the website is also listed on our seller store. This system now helps you to pay from across the globe. You can pay in dollars, pounds, Ghana cedis, and so on and so forth. Okay, meanwhile on our website you can pay with your credit card mainly, and if you're in Nigeria, good, you can pay with a bank transfer. Then over here is Forex Mastery, a guide to trading success by Anthony Phillips Njoko. I wrote a book. I'm working on more books on the advanced forex trading. This is more like a beginner forex trading, which is going to give you the terminologies, give you the insights on trading, the basic insights on trading, give you the right psychology, the right risk management plan, the right steps you need to take to be able to start up trading in the right path. Because me as a mentor, my passion is leadership and financial freedom. Okay, what makes me happy is to see the transformation in the lives of the people in the world when they become less bothered about money and live the life that they love. Okay, and one of it is that I'm able to put my knowledge in a book that I can be able to pass down as a legacy even when I'm no more. Okay, so it's my happiness that I see you consume this data and you're able to use the information there to achieve success trading in financial markets. And like I told you guys, I'm going to show you guys an example of a trading system that's currently running for us. Okay, we don't just teach, we also what? We also practice what we teach, because it's very, very important to practice what to teach. So over here is Euro USD, one of my favorite pairs, and then XAUSD. And if you come over here on the trading history, you can see this is 11th of August 2025, and you can see here this is our 10 digital lane scalper, the bot I told you about took this trade for me. For you guys that don't know what I'm talking about, okay, so over here is the 10 digital lane scalper that took the trade for us. So we are making money while we sleep. Okay, we literally made money while we sleep, and this is a very small account. Okay, this is a very small account. This was the account for $50. Okay, for those who are that are too curious and they are too skeptic. Okay, this is it. This is the deposit made on the 10th, $50, and we're able to make passive income while other people slept. Okay, and then we'll be compounding this account, trying to achieve what? A financial plan. We have a financial plan behind this account, and how the wealthy think. The wealthy think of what? Earning what? Passive income. The wealthy think of what? Having a financial plan to achieve financial independence and financial freedom. And you need to study and know what that means. Okay, so reach out to us, because procrastination is a thief of time. Okay, procrastination is a your life and have nothing to show for it. I wish you guys a profitable trading week, and this is your mentor Anthony Phillips Njoko signing out.